And here we have Boule de Parfum by Rose Farm KG. So boule in French means this type of round bubble, like a soap bubble, but this one is a scent, like a bubble of scent, and it does indeed smell very nice. Purple roses do smell nice quite often, which is nice because they are so impressive with their color, but then they also smell. For example, sterling silver, or that French president's name, de Gaulle, Charles de Gaulle. But yes, so this one has a lovely scent. The color is purple with a little bit sad pink on the outside. So I have really a hard time to show you the color. In this angle with my eyes it even looks a little bit brown. Yeah, maybe this would be good. And it's so cute, this roundness. But yes, it's the only flower that this plant has left. So it's a little bit hard to find a good angle to show you the real color, because the sun, you know, in the sun they look bleached. And it's also cute, the shape of the petals. Okay, finally we found an angle to illustrate the colors. Yes, this pink on the inside and then lighter on the outside. Ouch. And it does have thorns. I have just gotten myself scratched, which is okay because I'm used to this from my agave collection. But yes, this is very fascinating. I'm actually really happy that I found this here. You know, it's so hard to explain you how beautiful the color is. It's a sad purple, not purple, very light lavender, pink, brownish something. Okay, let me create shadow on it. Yeah, so, and if I put it in shadow like now, see, this is how the cameras react. So now it looks kind of blue if it's in shadow. But yeah, really cute. So I would really recommend you if you can find this one. But it is a Japanese rose made by Rose Farm KG, which is also known as Wabara. And so I don't know if you can find it in your country. It's nice that it has a beautiful scent, like the name says, Boule de Parfum.